Hello everyone, welcome to MT Resin Art India. My name is Assumi from Dimapur, Nagaland. Basically, I've been doing this epoxy artwork for about 2 years now, but then somehow I find unsatisfied of my finishing product. Therefore, I always wanted to learn more skills and ideas. So I saw on YouTube this MT Resin Art India. I got many information and details, but then I wanted to learn it professionally. I came to Jaipur and then I met Dharmender sir, where I found him very friendly, and then he was very informative person. He knows not only about this epoxy artwork, but then also about business. He taught me how to run the business, how to manage the business. So if you are interested, then you should definitely contact Dharmender sir. The number will be given below and the details will be given. So during my training session, Dharmender sir taught me step by step, like each and every details he taught me step by step, and then I'm so satisfied the way he taught me. Whenever I feel difficulties, he used to give me solution in easiest way possible. So working with him is like working with friends. You will feel very comfortable, as well as I feel that way. So I'll guarantee you, you will be really satisfied once you come here and take your training. So I made this countertop, which is granite finish with golden patterns. It's made on MDF board. And even this, I made myself on the MDF board, blue in color. And then this one as well. This is made out of thick wood, and then this is casting epoxy. I think this product, this is the future of furniture. Where like in the old days we use plyboard and all those wood item, but then epoxy, I think this is the future of furniture. Regarding this epoxy, it have varieties of applications wherever you want to use. So I'll give some example. You can use in the kitchen countertops as well, and then this doors and windows, anywhere you can use, and also for crafting and making all those decorations items. You can also use in making jewelries, small decorative items, and many more. I'm planning to make my workshop, open my workshop where I can make this countertop and then this casting river table. And then I'm planning to improve a lot about this artwork. And then also I will be contacting Sir Dharmender, and then he will be very helpful guy even in the future. And in this training, including everything, like everything you want to know, Sir will teach you in details. Even like for small thing, he will teach you in details. Also, this staffs and workers are very helpful and cheerful people. So where I found very comfortable, and then Sir even took us apart from this training. Sir took us to the client's house, and then we made their countertop today. So I'm really thankful to him, where I could learn different ideas and skills about this epoxy artwork. So honestly, I'll say, like at first I was hesitant to come over here since the distance from my place is very far, and then this is my first time in Rajasthan, so I feel very uncomfortable. But then after contacting Dharmender sir, he gave me all the informations and guides. Therefore, I found very comfortable. Also, as we know, all the people from different places in India, north, south, east, west, people used to come over here, take their training, and they used to go satisfied. So if you are willing to work as a part-time or professional work, do contact Dharmender sir. Number will be always given below. So I'll suggest you, if you want to start this epoxy work professionally and commercially, I'll suggest you to take this training. It will be very helpful, and I'll guarantee you, you will never regret this decision.